Welcome everyone, guys. I'm Fausto Carnevale, and today it's a very important live. What we do in the 15-minute call. So I'm waiting in just a minute. So let's see if someone is joining us. And also, most important thing, if you watch this live in a second time, this is like a video. You can put in the comment if you have some questions. I also would like you to basically what we are trying to do is to do one live every Wednesday. We will try every Wednesday at 5 p.m. European time. We are based in consider the Italian time, Rome. So please, if you want to ask us quick questions, of course we are not talking, but you can type questions. Normally, stay tuned because every Wednesday at 5 p.m. we will do the live. Today it's Thursday, but normally we will try from now on to do the live every Wednesday. 15-minute lives because we are very busy those days, so we can give you 15 minutes. Also, today why I did this live because in the YouTube videos we talk about the Forfait Regime, we talk about a lot of things. Why we put this 15-minute consultancy call? We don't know for how long we will keep this opportunity to have a short call. So basically, this may be your case as well. Some people, they just want to ask us quick questions about taxes. For instance, how much I would pay if I use the impact rate regime? This is one question. Another question is, can I have the impact rate regime if I have a company abroad? How many taxes will I pay if I use the forfait regime? How can I move to Italy with me and my wife saving taxes? Can I stay first in Italy and then move to Portugal? What are the compliance? Do I need an accountant to use the impact rate regime? So those quick questions. And this week we will also see, because we will put a video of one consultancy call that we did. So you will see also how are tailored this call. 15-minute call. You can book the call and you can ask questions. In this 15 minutes, those 15 minutes, you can basically not only save times, because we always talk about taxes. You will say taxes. So maybe you already understood the tax impact of your choices, meaning moving to Italy will make you save 80% of tax. I don't know. But only time, because if you have only one specific questions about, for instance, how my US pension will be taxed in Italy, how I have some a broker account, how it will be taxed. How long do I need to stay in Italy after I moved there to continue to use the impact rate regime, this reduced tax rate regime? Do you want a clarification? So in this 15 minutes, you can save either money, and this next week, we will also talk about what happened if you don't save. Maybe we will be the title of the next live of the next week. What happened if you enter the impact rate regime missing one condition? What happened? How many money will you lose? What happened if you don't find a good accountant? And we also had one case of this type of cases. So the accountant say, don't worry, just get the fiscal code and you will be considered as an Italian resident. Don't worry, he may said. We had one case of one client. He contacted us. He said, my accountant told me, just don't worry, get the fiscal code. And the problem is then when you receive a letter from the tax authorities, you receive the letter, not your accountant. You will get a good letter written in Italian. Then ask your accountant. Yeah, maybe it will solve the problem. Maybe, who knows, or maybe not. maybe you will have to pay, and so 15 minutes call. You really need to think that, of course, in 15 minutes we cannot make you a tax simulation. For instance, if you're from United States, you have asset abroad. I will make you an example here, no? Practical example. If you're from the States, you have, I don't know, one house in the UK, you have asset abroad, you are renting a property in Canada, you have those situations with multiple revenues. You really want to know how to declare them properly in Italy. The more you are rich, the richer you are, the more you also invoice, the more you risk. Because remember that the Forfait Regime, there is no limit. You can invoice from 10,000 euro to 1 million. So in this 15 minutes call, you can also clarify what is the best structure for you in Italy. We are also based in Belgium. So of course we are not, we are specialized in Italy. We are Italian. You can see I'm Italian. You can hear my accent. I'm not Belgium. Not yet, because I live in Brussels as well. But you can hear, you can understand, we have partnership in Portugal, partnership in Belgium. I myself I'm doing tax return in Belgium. VAT and all those things. So we can help you in the call. We can suggest you what to do first, what you need to do. And this is our 15 minutes call. Is not 15 minutes where we try to say to you how good we are. Those 15 minutes, the 15 minute call is made just to answer your questions. We don't say nothing. We barely say hello, how are you? And 15 minutes, it's a lot. If you think now, this live started 7 minutes ago. And did you notice how many topics I talked about? Did you notice? So you don't even imagine in 50. We should, because at the beginning we really wanted to do a 5 minute call. Well, so some people, they really need a 5 minute advice. 15 minutes is because then we ask some questions at the beginning. So because people may ask us, okay, can I use the Forfait Regime? Yes or no, with this, and this. We ask questions. We want to know, because just to make you another example, some people want to use the Forfait Regime, but they are already living in Italy and they forgot to apply for the Forfait Regime before. So now they discovered our channel. So as you can imagine, in 15 minutes you can really change your perspective. And you know what? We are basically giving the call for free. Now it's 50 euro. I'm really against this price, because as you saw, one consultancy call, it's almost 500 euro. And normally we are aware that this quick call, we can give you just some a taste of what we do. We are not only this. So in the 15 minute call, you can already ask how to, for example, let's say you forget to send your declaration in Italy, what to do. You forget to send the VAT forms, etc. We can tell you what to say to your accountant. So it's an investment for you. We want to do this. Okay, we make it pay because we want to work only with people really motivated, and the price is almost for free, so you can see. I don't know. Again, I am against it, so we don't know for how long we will keep it, because we are full of other calls now those days. So we also are doing the tax return for our clients. I am also busy with my tax return in Belgium. You know that 15 of July, if you are an employee, you need to do tax return in Belgium. By the way, if you need some advice, you can contact us as well. We open the VAT, we get the VAT number, so we are super busy. Not to mention, now I had a call just before now. It's 5 p.m. in Brussels. I said to my client, sorry, I need to do the live. He said, no, just sorry, I have another question. I said, no, I need to do this live because for me it's very important to stay in touch with you at least once a week. I'm saying me as a partner of ESENtaxa, me or Andrea. And also we have a team working for us. I mean, I don't do all the things alone. In Italy, we have accountants, we know lawyer. We will also do a very interesting interview with a lawyer in Italy, actually next week. Next week we will do the interview. Stay tuned. And in this interview, we will talk about also the visa problem, because we are not lawyers, but we know some things about the visa. Of course, visa meaning the permit if you are from another, if you're not from Europe. And we are trying really to do this live to tell you what are our plans. I mean, we have a news also, but I won't tell you this week. Maybe next week. There is a new news that we will be, but I mean, I'm not saying to say. I just remind you in 3-4 minutes. 15-minute call is also a way to do a quick calculation of the taxes. And trust me, you don't know, because you cannot combine the social contribution and the IRPEF taxation. But I'm not only talking, because I always talk about physical person. Even if you have a company, we can do a quick calculation of the taxes. We can also do a quick overview of the differences if you're moving, let's say, in Italy or in Portugal. We can tell you, for instance, the benefits depending what is your business. If you, for instance, have a physical company, even if we mainly talk with people who have online businesses. But of course, if you ask us some questions, like if you want to open a restaurant in Italy, we can also tell you something. So this is the very important thing, is that in those 50 minutes, and the people tell us really sometimes it's funny, because we make this 15-minute call, which is less than 1 hour, less than 30 minutes. No, sometimes people, they have questions and they can see them in 5 minutes, because you see 15 minutes, it's a lot. It's enough for you to have the information, assuming that you can read and you can go online and search for other informations, because otherwise you need 1 hour. And so that's it. Again, I'm repeating you in this live. How can you book the call? You can go on every video on YouTube that we did, any video. You can go on the description, and in the description link you will see written book a call with our tax experts. You click the link, you pay. For now it's 50 euro, but as I said, we don't know if we raise the price because we are full, or if we delete this option. But you pay 50 euro. We will send you the link, and you will have a call of 15 minutes. So it's basically 15 minutes, just to make you understand how many things you can ask. If you watch again this video, this live, it's basically the entire duration of this live. And you can ask whatever it takes. If you don't know if 15 minutes is enough, please know that if you book 15 minutes and then you need 30 minutes or 1 hour, you will have a discount of that 15-minute pay will be deducted for the full price. Normally we say anything extra that you need after the 15-minute call will be deducted the price. So you can go on that link you book, and our team will send you via email the link to have the conversation with us. So again, I hope that this video finds you well. We will see each other next week. So until next time, Fausto Carnevale, enjoy your staying in Europe and do not hesitate to contact us for other questions.